Unrolling the mat. New and unexpected ways to practice yoga, with its ancient roots and diverse branches, has blossomed into a global phenomenon. From the serene studios of Hatha to the high-energy flows of Vinyasa, practitioners find solace and strength on their mats. But as with any beloved practice, there's always room for exploration and fresh perspectives. Let's step outside the usual routine and delve into some unique and innovative ways to experience the magic of yoga. 1. Nature's embrace. Ditch the studio walls and take your practice outdoors. Imagine downward-facing dog on a soft bed of leaves, warrior 2 with arms outstretched to the sky, or Savasana basking in the warm sun. Immersing yourself in nature's sights, sounds, and smells adds a layer of grounding and rejuvenation to your practice. 2. Aquatic flow. Swap the land for water and try aqua yoga. Buoyed by the gentle resistance of the pool, you'll experience familiar poses in a whole new way. The water's support eases pressure on joints, allowing for deeper stretches and explorations of balance. Plus, the playful buoyancy adds a fun twist to your routine. 3. Aerial adventures. Take your practice to new heights with anti-gravity yoga. Suspended in hammocks, you'll defy gravity and explore postures from a bird's eye view. This playful practice fosters decompression, builds core strength, and unlocks a sense of childlike wonder as you swing, invert, and cocoon in the fabric. 4. Canine companions. Looking for a furry friend to share your practice with? Dog yoga, or doga, combines human yoga postures with gentle interactions with your canine companion. From downward-facing dog synchronized with your pup to playful stretches and cuddles in Savasana. Doga strengthens the bond between you and your furry best friend while promoting relaxation and joy. 5. Community convergence. Gather your friends and family for a communal yoga session. Host a potluck yoga brunch, where mindful movement blends with shared meals and laughter. Organize a rooftop yoga gathering under the stars, or transform your local park into a pop-up studio. Sharing the practice fosters connection, deepens friendships, and adds a touch of festivity to your routine. 6. Tech-infused flow. Embrace the digital age with technology-aided yoga. Virtual reality headsets transport you to serene landscapes or challenging terrains, while interactive apps provide personalized feedback and guidance. Wearable trackers monitor your heart rate and breath, offering data-driven insights into your practice. Remember, technology is a tool, not a replacement for your inner teacher. Choose it to enhance, not overshadow, your mindful journey. 7. Sound and movement symphony. Let music and movement intertwine in a sound yoga class. Immerse yourself in the vibrations of gongs, Tibetan singing bowls, or crystal singing bowls as you flow through postures. The soundscapes guide your breath, deepen your relaxation, and evoke emotions, transforming your practice into a multi-sensory experience. 8. Poetic postures. Blend the grace of movement with the power of words in poetry yoga. Recite verses or mantras as you transition through poses, weaving together physical flow and lyrical expression. This practice fosters self-awareness, creativity, and a deeper connection to the language of your soul. 9. Artistic alchemy. Unleash your inner artist with art yoga. Combine movement with drawing, painting, or sculpting. Move from warrior 2 to a graceful brushstroke, or channel your breath into the rhythm of shaping clay. This practice allows you to express yourself authentically, explore the connection between body and mind, and discover unexpected creative depths. 10. Mindful movements, meaningful causes. Give back to your community while practicing yoga. Participate in charity yoga classes where proceeds support a cause close to your heart. Organize donation-based yoga sessions in underprivileged areas. Let your practice extend beyond the mat and touch the lives of others, weaving compassion and service into the fabric of your yoga journey. Remember, these are just springboards for your own exploration. The beauty of yoga lies in its adaptability and endless possibilities. So, unroll your mat, step outside your comfort zone, and embrace the new and unexpected. Let your creativity guide you, and discover the boundless ways to move your body. Connect with your spirit. Let your creativity guide you, and discover the boundless ways to move your body. Connect with your spirit, and find joy in the unfurling journey of yoga. Remember, the truest pose is not the one that looks perfect, but the one that leaves you feeling open, alive, and deeply connected to yourself and the world around you. Namaste. I hope this completes your paper to your satisfaction. Please let me know if you have any other questions.